It's me.
Hi, welcome. Come in. So this is my hotel room, and this is the view. Like, I live for the view. Imagine this in the night. Like, this is busted. Low key. We do have a little, like, you know, dining table here. Nothing knickknacks. To take a look at the view. You can take a look here. Come along. We have the fridge. However, this is what happened. It empty like church. When I asked, even look at water they couldn't give. Jeez! They have coffee thing, but it have I don't know. Even look at ice. Empty? Jeez! I like the microwave. You know, heat up a little food, that's good. You know, you have a little sink, have the trash cans and stuff. That's nice, that's nice. Okay, come along here. So you have a little sitting area. I do like the light shading though. I have like the TV going on. We still have the view. The view is what I live for. Go take a look. Go ahead, get a close up. Watch your Ferris wheel way out there. You see that? I will be going to it soon. Take you with me, okay? And this is the bed. This is a nice mirror. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Yes. And then we're going to let's check out the closet first. So this is the closet. I don't know how to feel about the closet, but it's doable. It's okay. It can work. Nice drawer. Put the clothes, everything nice. It's doable. Put up this. And then the washroom. So it does look clean. I really wanted like some brighter lights, honestly speaking. It's giving bedroom lights, if you know what I'm saying. Like low. And then the shower is giving though. The shower is big. The shower is giving. The shower is big. Which I like. This would be good for vacation though. But yeah, this is it. Honestly, I chose this for the view mainly, but I like it. You have one or two little, you know, tweaks that can be done. Like this curtain could have been changed out, but that's okay. You know, we live for the views. I just imagine this in the night. Imagine this in the night. Like, talk to me. Imagine this in the night. I would do a little walkthrough in the night, but I like it. I hope you like it too. Let me know below what you think. Dali, you look nice though. I look like a Puerto Rican. Talk to me nice. Basically, in order to get a ball to play the basketball, you're gonna have to sign up, give the ID, and in order to get back the ID, you have to give them back the ball. I like that. It's free, but the ID is needed, which is crazy. Well. You not ask about why the door. Wipe those tears from your eyes. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Put your hand in the little cup. You have all the icing colors that are here. Sometimes they might get a little hard, so heat them up with your hands a little bit to dissolve. I'll let you open your cakes. I can help you with that. Thank you. Much that to the calendar, but yeah, no, I'm not asking. So, and this is Madam Birthday Girl. Like, so girl, yuck. I want to probably look at her face. Birthday to you. Aww. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Hold on. This is a good mix. Hold on. Cheers. You are the more ready to answer them. It is. Delicioso. Go. Crazy. Action. You ready, guys? What she think? Cheers. Cheers. Guys.
you.